So while downloading Fortnite on Epic Games Launcher, if you're getting this error of MD-DL-0, the fix is quite simple. You need to go and open up your file explorer, go to this PC, go to local disk C. Now you need to go to program files, and here you need to go to Epic Game Launcher. So for that you need to search for Epic Games. So here you can see, open this up. Now go to Launcher. Now go to Portal. Now go to Config. Here you can see default engine. Right click this and open it up with Notepad. And once it is open, under this HTTP, you can see HTTP total timeout 30. You need to remove this and save it. Control S, save it. No, sorry. Just save it. Like don't do anything. Remove it and close the file. Now if you go and open it again, open it. Make sure you don't find that timeout thing. So there is no timeout thing here. Let's go and close this. Close this again. Now restart your computer and try downloading it again, and it would work perfectly fine. I hope this video helped, but before you go, please like the video.